all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello everyone, today I will be doing an oil change on my 2006 Honda Civic. This car is my daily driver and I take regular trips from the San Francisco Bay Area all the way to LA and back. With some basic maintenance, this 1.8 liter engine should last well over 250,000 miles. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get shots of changing my oil filter on my car, but I promise you I did do it. Right now you're watching me struggle trying to get this drain plug bolt out, so I couldn't get the drain plug undone with one wrench, so if one fails, try two. Watch this legend pour all this oil out of this pan. Not a single drop has been spilled in the process. Yeah, there's been a few cuts, but hey, I was there, you weren't. Shut up, I love ya. Thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.